Hey hun, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki Nicole and this is the Nikki Nicole Way. Today I'm going to bring you guys with me and we're going to complete an Amazon Flex shift. I'm going to share with you how, or basically not even how, but what I wish I knew before I started Amazon Flex in order to maximize my earnings. So yeah, let's get right into it. A couple things. Every warehouse is set up differently, so the structure of it, once you get there, it may be different, but the overall concept and the process is the same. So the first thing I wish I knew is that Amazon don't play about the time. If your block is at 1:30, by 1:36 they canceling it. Like they only give you 5 minutes to get there. The 6 minute, it's a wrap. Right now I'm currently at my block. I was definitely cutting it close, but I made it here in time. And I'm currently waiting for them to release a route. So I don't know if you guys can see this. But once you arrive, you come through, you get checked in, and then you scan your ID, and then you wait for a route to pop up. Oh, wow. Okay, so we just got a route. So a route just popped up, looks like that. So, no, I just went in there and I tried to record because you're not supposed to record inside of these warehouses. Listen, don't get caught up and mess your bag up. But I tried, so that's why I'm wearing my Ray-Bans today, the Metas, so I can try and get some footage for you guys to just share, like a little, day in the life kind of thing. But when I just went in there and checked in and tried to record and show y'all a little bit, baby, I was so nervous. I feel like everyone was looking at me like they know that I had Meta on my face. It was like, All right, well, let's go. I'll be back. Okay, yeah. 2231. The staging numbers are on the floor. Okay, so that's lowest. 2231. Okay, so it should be over here somewhere. 2231. Yep, here it is. Oh, we got a good route today. That's good. So we're gonna scan one of the packages. This is not your route. Hold on. Yes, it is. What's in it? Oh, that's not my route. Hold up. I have 2231. That's 2131. Okay, yeah, no, that's not my route. Damn. Okay, this is my route. So you scan. What the hell? And then that'll tell you yes. Alright. So we have 28 deliveries, 29 packages. You are pickup. Swipe. New Hudson. Alright, let's go. Alright, now the only thing I don't like about this particular warehouse I picked up at is that you can't organize your packages inside of the warehouse. That's the part I don't like. Oh shoot, I ain't gonna be able to do it like that. I don't know if I ever see my car. Okay, we have 28 packages, 29 stops or something like that, right? Let's see. 29 packages, 28 stops. Alright, so how you scan it is you go to list, you hit this little barcode right here, and you're scanning this one. And this is your stop number right there. So that's how you organize your packages according to stops, because it'll be easier once you get to your next stop, because your itinerary is going in order. So once you get to, like, stop number 2, stop number 3, you just grab the number packages, drop it off, and keep it moving. So I found that's the most efficient way. And keep them organized in your car too. That way you don't have to shuffle through packages. They in order when you number them. They in order in your car. And you just grab and go. You just grab and go and keep it moving. I think our block today is only like 3 hours, so we got a pretty short block. Sometimes I organize my packages with the mailers, these like envelopes in the front, and the larger packages like in the back or in the trunk. So like this would definitely have to go in the back seat. I try to use my back seat as much as possible though. Not the trunk as much as I have to. I'm gonna put this in the trunk. I mean the back seat. Okay, so let's say like in this situation where the sticker is covering the barcode that you're supposed to scan, you can just type in the address into the search bar and it'll come up and let you know what stop it is. All right, and we're down to our last package. $28. Oh, literally. Just gonna close the front door up because that's done. We're gonna add this to the trunk. This is helpful, a wagon, especially when you have heavy packages or if you have to take them into like a building or apartment complex or something like that. Very helpful. And then with the carts, they want you to take them in back inside of the warehouse, but no, we don't. We just pull them out the way. All right, so now we have all of our packages loaded. All right, small mailers in there, medium packages, and larger numbers here, and then the larger packages or boxes are in the trunk. So when you look at your itinerary, I'm trying to cover up people's addresses. You see how a step 1 is shaded? The first stop will be the pickup. I'm doing sub same day, so this is how my itinerary looks. When you do regular pickup, I'll take you guys on a regular pickup one day so you can see that setup. But that one actually starts with 1 as being your first drop-off spot for a package. But doing sub same day, the first stop is the warehouse. Let's go back, Liz. Yep, so number 2, even though it's our first stop for our package, it'll say number 2 on our itinerary. All right, y'all, let's ride.
And I need you, and I'm down for you always, baby. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love.
When you arrive at the customer's house, you hit arrive or I've parked, and then you continue with the package. Remember, we look stop number 21. Oh, no. I've parked. Continue with package. Scan the package. And let's drop it off. You'll hit continue with package and take a picture at the door. Once you finish, swipe to finish. That's it. On to our next one. Notify next customer. We're on our way. Send a message. That's it. Let's get it. All right, y'all. That will be the end of our shift. Right now I'm filling up my tank, so I'll be ready for my next block. Since it is the weekend, I try to do at least like 2 blocks in one day. I'm gonna go back like when I upload the video to make sure I drop the jewels that I wanted to share with you guys. If there was something else or something that I wish I knew before I started Amazon, I'll just leave like inserts or whatever. But I feel like I did everything. Oh, the only thing I will say this. If you're going to cancel a block, they say cancel 45 minutes before the block or shift starts. I suggest canceling at least like 50 minutes. It's even best if you cancel as early as possible. Like if you know you tired, you don't feel like it, go ahead and cancel it, because you don't want to risk having your standing affected, because it will drop you tremendously. I went from fantastic to great because I missed a 5:15 block. I woke up, it was like 5:40. And once you miss your block, you can't cancel it. So yeah, you don't want to do that. And of course, if your standing is affected, it starts like fantastic, great, fair, or good. It might be something, it might be like 2 under that or whatever. But I know if you get to like fair, or you don't want to get down at the bottom, because then you'll risk having your account deactivated or not being able to flex anymore. You don't want to do that because it's got nothing for your money. So I will talk to you all in the next video. Have a great day.